Hi, in this video we will solve some more problems which appeared in GATE exams. If you like my video and want me to continue more, like the video and share it with your friends. If you're hearing me for the first time, then hit the subscribe button to get the latest updates. Alright, let's get started. So here we have a really basic problem which appeared in GATE 2014. So it says that for matrices of same dimension m and n and one scalar matrix C, which one of the following always holds? So just remember, always holds. So let's see, transpose of m transpose is always m. So this property is always true. So this is always true. Next we have scalar C multiplied by m and whole transpose. So this will be equals to C into m transpose. So this is also always true. Next is m plus n whole transpose equals m transpose plus n transpose. So this is always true. And finally is mn equals nm. So this property is not always true. And because if mn exists, then nm may or may not exist. Also, mn is not equals to nm. So this is the right answer. Okay, let's see one more. Which of the following is a correct identity for arbitrary 3x3 matrices P, Q and R? So we have been given some properties and we have to find out which one of them is true. This is a really important problem and it appeared in GATE 2014. So let's find out. So there is a step-by-step way to solve this problem, and I would recommend you to follow this step so that you don't make any differences. However, if you just look by the definition, then p minus q whole square equals p square minus 2pq plus q square. At one instant this option looks correct, but this is wrong. I'll tell you why. So let's take each option one by one. So we'll take the first option, p multiplied by q plus r. So since p, q and r are all three matrices, so we have to make sure we multiply it in correct order. So p multiplied by q will be p into q plus p into r. So see, here the option is given as pq plus rp, but the correct option should be p into r. So this option is wrong. Okay, let's take second option, b. P minus q whole square. P minus q whole square. Don't look at the option. Just try to multiply it yourself. So p minus q into p minus q. So this can be written as p minus q into p minus q. Okay. So now we have p into p minus q minus q into p minus q. Really simple. Okay, then next p into p into p minus p into q minus q into p plus q into q. So this can be written as p square minus pq minus qp plus q square. Let's see the option. In the option it says p square minus 2pq plus q square. However, the correct option should be p square minus pq minus qp plus q square. So the second option is also wrong. Let's check out the third option. Determinant of p plus q. If you have already covered my lecture on determinant, then you must be knowing that this is not at all equals to determinant of p and q. However, if you have not seen that lecture, then I would suggest you to pause the video here and see the video about determinant first. Then you will get to know the reason behind this problem. So the last option, we have p plus q whole square. Now you know how to solve this problem. So we'll just write it as p plus q into p plus q. So we have p multiplied by p plus q plus q multiplied by p plus q. Okay, so p into p plus p into q plus q into p plus q into q. So this can be written as p square plus p into q plus q into p plus q square. Let's see the option. Yeah, so we have the correct option. So this is the right option. Rest all other options are wrong. So this is a really important problem and you need to know how to solve each option step by step, then only you will get the correct option. Let's see one more problem. So this is a really basic problem, but it appeared in GATE 2014. So I won't solve this completely. I will give the solution in my handwritten note, which you can download it from the link given in description. Alright, with reference to the conventional Cartesian x, y coordinate system, the vertices of the triangle have the following coordinates. x1, y1 is at 1, 0, x2, y2 is 2, 2, x3, y3 is at 4, 3. Okay, so now you have to find the area of triangle. So this problem says that in a Cartesian plane, 3 points are given and a triangle is formed with these 3 points. So you have to find the area of triangle enclosed by these 3 points. So let me give you a hint. First, draw first draw the 2D xy plane and mark the 3 points. Okay, so when you have marked these 3 points, you have to find the area of this triangle. If you face any difficulty, let me know in comments. I'll try to help you out. When you are done, you can download the lecture notes from the link given in description and match your answers. That's it for this lecture. If you like my videos and want me to continue more, like this video and share it with your friends. If you are hearing me for the first time, then you can hit the subscribe button to get the latest updates. In the next video, we will see some more problems which appeared in GATE exams.